हम देख रहे हैं द स्टोरी अबाउट रिप वैन विंकल, अ गुड नेचर बट लेजी मैन। नेचर तो अच्छा था बट लेजी थे। हु डज अवे इन टू द हिल्स एंड falls asleep. When he awakes 20 years later, Rip finds that quite a few things have changed. Many years ago, तो ये इंसान ऐसे थे, बहुत ही अच्छे समझदार, बट किसी को वो ज़्यादा समझने में लेज़ी थे और बहुत ज़्यादा तकलीफ़ में तब आई जब 20 साल के बाद वो वापस आए। उन्होंने देखे कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें changed. Many years ago, the foothills of the Catskill Mountains was a little village. In the village lived a simple, good-natured yellow fellow named Rip Van Winkle. He was a kind neighbor, ready to help anyone. Anyone in the village liked him. Everyone liked him. The children of the village shouted with joy whenever they saw him because he played with them and he taught them how to fly kites and shoot marbles and told them stories. तो सबको ये राइप वैन विंकल बहुत अच्छे लगते थे। ये अंकल बहुत अच्छे थे बच्चों, और सबको अपने हाथ में लेके चलने वाले थे। The only problem with Raif was that he was very lazy and he did not work on his own farm and he just idle away his time. तो वो अपना टाइम सिर्फ वैसे ही पास कर देते थे और बिल्कुल भी वो देख नहीं पाते थे क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं। तो he was a kind neighbor and really to help everyone. Everyone in the village liked him, and the children village shouted with joy whenever they saw him because he played with them, taught them how to. So the only problem was कि वो lazy थे, his fences were falling in pieces and his cow was going astray and weeds grew on his farm and Ripes companion with his dog named Wolf. To avoid work, he would walk away into the forest with his dog. One day, Rip just walked on, and he reached the highest part of the mountain. And it was late in the afternoon when he reached there. Tried after his long climb, he lay down and began daydreaming. I was soon evening, and he realized that it would be night by time he would reach his village. तो क्या हुआ बच्चों, 82 पेज नंबर पे तो देखिए ये इंसान है जो बहुत ही खुशनुमा है और सबको लेके चलने वाले हैं। सब बच्चे बहुत पसंद करते थे उनको, उनका डॉग वुल्फ। फिर एक बार क्या हुआ, सडनली ही realized he heard a voice calling out, Rip Van Winkle and Rip Van Winkle. He shouted around and saw a short old man in thick hair and crimped beard walking towards him with a barrel. He made signs to help him carry the barrel. Hurried to help the strangers who caught his hand tightly. Together they reached a place where there were some more old-looking men playing ninepins. They were all dressed the same way, and all of them had beard of various shapes and colors. Even though they were playing a game, their faces were तो यहाँ पे जो लोग थे वो रिप वैन विंकल को बुला रहे थे और उनको दाढ़ी थी, जैसे पिक्चर में दिख रहा है बच्चों, उनके मुंह पे दाढ़ी थी, और वो कॉट हिम हैंड टाइटली टू ईयर्स एंड रीच द प्लेस वेयर दे वर मोर ओल्ड मैन। तो उनको पकड़ के वो ले गए, और ड्रेस सभी सभी एक ही तरह के बियर्ड थे, सभी के एक जैसे फेसेस थे। तब उन्होंने देखा कि was serious and there was silence and the only sound was noise of balls which echoed in the mountains like thunder. As Raip as his own companion reached him, they stopped playing and started to Raip with a fixed gaze. Raip was really frightened. His companion emptied the contents of the barrel into the bottles. तो जो कंटेंट था वो उन्होंने बॉटल में सब इकट्ठा कर दिया. Rip drank it and Rip obeyed that he was trembling with fear. Hence he was thirsty. और उन्होंने वो ग्लासेस पी लिए slowly into the deep sleep. फिर on walking he found that he was on the place where he had first met the old man. फिर he rubbed his eyes and in the bright sunny morning, surely I have not slept all night through, thought आ रहा है Rip. तो he looked around, उन्होंने इधर उधर देखा, wolf, but I was nowhere. Rip whistles to him, wolf, wolf, lie, where he shouted, no dog who has been seen. Where did the dog gone? He muttered to himself and he began to descend the mountain and to go back to his village. तो देखिए ये गेम खेल रहे हैं यहाँ पे पेज नंबर 83 पे. फिर as he near to the village he met a number of people but he didn't know any of them. The village also started him and equally surprised. Who is this man? said. तो सब विलेजर्स उनको देखने लगे. And I've never seen him before. Look at his white old beard and the wrinkled face. तो उनका फेस देखो कैसे हो गया और कितने साल हो गए, उनके कपड़े देखो. तो सब लोग उनको देखने लगे. On hearing this, Rip woke up and his chin and looked and his astonished. He found his beard has grown foot long. बहुत लंबी उनकी दाढ़ी हो गई और वो वाइट हो गई है. और an old woman walked at him and looked at his face. She explained, it's Rip Van Winkle. Welcome home again, old neighbor. Where had you been for 20 years? तो बहुत ज़्यादा सरप्राइज हो गए वो. तो देखो पीछे के पेज में 96 पे बहुत ज़्यादा वो स्मार्ट दिखा है. और अभी देखो, तो चलिए देख लेते हैं आपके वर्ड्स. फन विथ न्यू वर्ड्स. सर्कल द करेक्ट मीनिंग ऑफ द गिवन वर्ड्स. यू मे नीड टू यूज द डिक्शनरी एंड यू विल रेस्टेड एडमायर, मतलब बहुत अच्छे से देखना, खुश रहना उनको देख के. कंस्टेंट कॉफ़ी. कंस्ट्रक्ट मतलब बनाना. स्टडी मतलब एकदम शांति से खड़े रहना. कंपेनियन मतलब दोस्त. डॉग मतलब आपको पता है कुत्ता. स्ट्रेंजर अजनबी. पार्टनर हमारा दोस्त जो हमारे साथ है. रियलाइज़ करना मतलब सोचना उसके बारे में. टू अंडरस्टैंड मीन्स समझना. फिर है टू सेट फ्री मतलब उनको छोड़ देना. फिर रियल मतलब सच्चा. डिसेंट मतलब टू नॉट टू सेंड. टू बी डिसेंट. टू मूव ऑन. बैरल मीन्स अ गोल्डन कंटेनर. म्यूजिकल. सर्कल द कलेक्ट मीनिंग. आपको करेक्ट इधर मीनिंग सर्कल करना है. कंटेंट्स मीन टू बी हैप्पी. द कंटेंट्स मीन द इंग्रेडिएंट्स और the index of the book, the index of the book. Match the words in the box of the meaning. Grin and astonish मतलब surprised. फुटहिल्स मतलब ऊपर तक जाने का, माउंटेन का लोअर. स्ट्रोक मतलब टू रब जेंटली. सिमिलर मतलब एक जैसा. तो ये है हमारे मीनिंग्स. लेट्स रीड. तो रिप वॉज अ काइंड टू चिल्ड्रन. येस. रिप वॉज हार्ड वर्किंग. नो फॉल्स. तो 87 यहाँ तक ख़त्म हो गया बच्चों. बहुत ज़्यादा आलसू थे. द शॉर्ट ओल्ड मैन ऑन द माउंटेन वॉज हिज कॉन्स्टेंट कंपेनियन. Right, the RMP had that the old man was his mountain because he had some drink from the barrel. Yes, RMP was also, Rip was also away from 20 years of sleep. Yes, true. The drink from the barrel made him fall asleep for 20 years. Yes, nobody recognized Rip when he came back because he had to search the wrong village. He was sleeping और वहाँ जाके उनको तो false. Complete the following sentence. Rip's village was situated कहाँ पे? Near the mountainous area. The children of the village loved him because he used to play marbles and shoot marbles. गेम सिखाते थे. Dash was constant उसके companion, उनका dog. The villagers stared at him because वो बहुत ज़्यादा ओल्ड दिखे. ओल्ड वुमेन हु रिकग्नाइज रिप वॉज शॉक टू सी हिम. फिर लेट्स राइट. वर्क इन ग्रुप्स. आपको बताना है स्ट्रेंज थिंग्स जो मैन को हुआ माउंटेन एरियाज पे. तो 88 पे हमारा इतना ही हुआ. कब उन्होंने ड्रिंक पी लिया, कब वो सो गए. ठीक है, तो इसके साथ हम देखेंगे नेक्स्ट हमारा पेज नेक्स्ट सेशन में.